a long gone era, in India, nearly 5,000 years back, lived a boy named Eklavya, the son of a tribal chief in the forest of the kingdom Hastinapur. Eklavya was a brave and a handsome boy. He was loved by all, but he was not happy. His father saw that something was troubling Eklavya. One day, the father asked his son, "Why are you so unhappy, Eklavya? Why don't you join your friends? Why are you not interested in hunting?" "Father, I want to be an archer," replied Eklavya. "I want to be the disciple of the great Dronacharya, the great tutor of archery in Hastinapur. His Gurukul is a magical place where ordinary boys are turned into mighty warriors." Eklavya left his home and went to Guru Drona. At that time, Dronacharya was busy in teaching Kauravas and Pandavas. Eklavya touched the Drona's feet in deep respect and said, "Guruji, please take me as your disciple and teach me archery. I will be highly thankful to you." "Who are you?" asked Drona. "I am a Bhil Kumar," said Eklavya politely. Dronacharya refused to teach him. "I can't teach you. I teach only princes," he said. Eklavya was very sad and returned to his hut in the forest. He was very disappointed but did not lose his heart. He thought to himself, "Guruji, I learned the art only from you." He made a statue of Guru Dronacharya and placed it under a tree close to his hut. First of all, he sat and bowed in respect before the statue and practiced archery every day without fail. Gradually, he learned. He had an inner feeling archery that the great master himself was teaching him. One day, Guru Drona and the princess were hunting in the forest. Their dog went away wandering in the forest. He reached the place where Eklavya was practicing. The dog started barking at him. Eklavya quickly shoot an arrow at it. It hit its mouth. Then Eklavya shoot 7 arrows, one after the other. The arrows went straight into the dog's mouth, but into a single drop of blood oozed out. The arrow did not hurt the dog, but it could not bark. It ran back
forth the boy and said, "Your devotion to your teacher will be reminded forever in the world. You will be regarded as the great author that the world